Good morning. Welcome to Man Talks. I'm Kathy.
And I'm Anna, and we're cooking together. Yay!
And this is how it will be from now on.
Hopefully.
Don't say hopefully, it will be.
Okay, it will be.
Thank you.
Today, we have something very special for you. I made a dough that my mother used to make. I found her recipe. I was so excited. And the only thing is I used wheat flour, so it's a little bit dark. Hers used to be pristine white. But I made this dough and it has a secret ingredient.
I love secrets.
And I will post the recipe on our website,
mantalks.com. It's been a while, okay? We're a little out of sorts here.
Anyway, so I've spread some of it out. The reason I made this dough is because you can make 4 different things with it. And I wanted to share it. They are going to be, we can make noodles. We can make chiviricos. Chiviricos are pastries. We can make empanadas. They're like little meat pies.
Empanadas.
And we can make crackers. And I thought I would share how to make each one.
Okay.
So I've rolled out a piece of the dough here. And I actually just took my knife and cut it out into heart.
Aww.
Isn't that cute?
It is. A little heart.
Yeah, a little heart. Because I'm so lovable. Anyway.
Yeah, she is.
So here's the heart.
Is this the cracker?
This is the cracker.
Okay.
And I've made several of them. And I'm going to put this on a cast iron skillet, sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, and stick it in the oven. And I'll show you what it looks like at the end.
Can you put it in the oven if you don't have a skillet?
Oh yeah, you can use a cookie sheet, but I'm going to use the skillet.
Okay.
The other one is, you have your rolled out dough. Excuse me, Kathy, I don't want
Don't
to
cut your finger. I need all my fingers.
And you cut it into pretty much squares, just little squares.
Okay. Got it.
And
You pick it up and
I'm going to make 2 squares out of this.
Okay.
And believe it or not, this is it. This is a chivirico.
Pastry.
And what we're going to do with this is we're going to fry it.
Yeah.
And after it's fried and it bubbles up and it looks beautiful, then we sprinkle it with sugar. Now you can use powdered sugar. I don't use powdered sugar. I never have powdered sugar, so I've always just used sugar.
Oh, I love powdered sugar.
So we'll do that. That's number 2.
Okay.
Number 3 is we're going to roll it out again, and we're going to cut it into long strips.
Ah, I know what these are.
What do you think?
These are noodles.
These are noodles.
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 And I'm going to take a guess. Do you boil them?
And we're going to boil them, and then I only put olive oil, a little bit of salt, and parsley. And it's delicious. So that's the last.
What do you put on them after?
You can, that's what I put on.
I mean, oh, I see what you're saying. So you don't put like any kind of a sauce or marinara?
No.
But you can.
You can. I'm just saying how I usually like pasta. And then for the last one, we're going to roll out. Here's a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick to the. And Kathy, you can do the honors. Here's my French. I'm the only person that has never cooked in her life and baked, but I make. I have the most beautiful French rolling pin. I think it's.
It doesn't have handles. I like handles.
No. Oh, I love this one.
I need the handles.
There's only one time that I baked, and that was to make my daughter's cake for her wedding shower. And I even covered it in, what is that, marzipan?
Oh, yes.
It was gorgeous.
How thick do you like this?
A little bit thinner.
It's really weird without the handles.
I need, this is a French.
I bake all the time.
Yes, this is a
this
French.
Is weird. Well, the French obviously have it wrong. They need handles.
Okay. Hold on.
Who do I talk to about this? Okay.
Okay, let's make it a little bit thinner.
If it had handles, it would be thinner by now. This is just so weird. Okay.
Okay. All right. We'll just call it done.
Okay. It's done.
Okay. Now, with these, you can make, you can put a filling in it and it can be meat. And most of the time it's meat. It's ground beef, picadillo. And it's very savory. But I'm going to use, because I don't have picadillo today, I'm going to use a piece of guava paste.
This stuff is so sweet because I just took a piece of it in my mouth.
It's delicious. It's delicious. Okay, and now
So
that
is this
I've
an empanada?
folded it over, yes, this is
Okay.
an empanada. I'm going to just cut around it here. Why don't you make it look pretty and round?
Okay, pretty and round. This is, the pressure is on, you guys, because if it's not pretty and round, I will hear about it probably for weeks to come. There, is that pretty and round enough?
That is gorgeous.
Of course it is.
That is so gorgeous.
Of course it is. I was just gonna say, do you do something pretty with the edges?
Yes. So all I do is take a fork and just press down all
Well, it
around.
looks like an empanada.
It does.
So you could put anything in there. You could
can
put like
anything you want.
At Halloween, Thanksgiving, November, they
Yes.
do pumpkin in there.
Yes, you can do that, or you can make a stew and put it in, like the New Zealanders. You know,
What do
the
you mean a
meat
stew
pie.
and put what in there?
Like stewed beef.
Yeah.
And you can put it in there.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. Yeah, you can put anything in there.
Right. So now what I do with this is fry it. And that's how
Really?
you eat it. You drain it and you put on paper towels, kind of get the oil off, and then you eat it. However, you can also put it in the oven, which I think is a little bit healthier.
Oh, I'm sure it's
Yeah.
healthier to bake it than to fry it. It may
So-
not be as good.
So I will put it in the fryer and I will show you what it looks like. And then we'll look and see what the results are. And Kathy gets to taste. Yay! Talk to you soon.
Bye.
So these are the chivericos. These are just the dough rolled out into squares and cut into squares. I'm just going to put it in the fryer, and here it goes. See them bubbling? And these don't stay very long. They cook very, very quickly. Oh, there they go. They're bubbling up. I'm going to turn it over. My aunt used to make this for us for lunch. Some empanadas and a couple of chivericos. Oh, I used to love this. And I think I was trying this and I was thinking, I know why this tastes so good. And it's that secret ingredient that makes such a big difference. There it is. Ah, delicious. So here we go. We cut the dough into strips and we're going to put it into boiling water. And right now they're sinking all the way to the bottom. As soon as they float, then we know that they're ready. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Look how cool they look. Oh, they're coming up. They're coming up. Look at that. How cool is that? So this is homemade noodles. I'm going to turn the heat a little bit down. Are you ready to taste the most delicious noodles in the world, Kathy?
Totally.
Awesome. Okay, we'll take them out and drain them. So what do you think? How does it look?
Looks very interesting.
Doesn't it? Okay, so let's try, well, let's go with the salty things first.
Okay.
How about if you want to try the cracker? Let's put a little bit of salt.
That's sugar.
Yeah, that's sugar. Okay. Here, you can have the big one, Kathy. I'll have the little
I'll
one.
have a taste of it. Good one. Good.
I think I'm going to leave it in the oven a little bit longer.
Needs to be a little bit crisper.
But the taste is really good. Good. All right.
Okay.
That's
We
the
should probably
cracker.
go to that because that's still not
Okay.
sweet.
So the noodle was just boiled, and you want to add a little bit of vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper.
A little bit. Come on.
To our taste.
Okay.
And then let's add some
Why didn't you just
salt and pepper.
This the upside down one? Oh, this is just simple.
You grind it.
You know, these fancy tools Anna has.
Yeah, right.
Is it even coming out?
Yeah, it is.
Really?
Okay.
Okay.
And then salt, same thing. Grind it.
Oh, that one didn't have a lid. Ooh, this is like chunky salt.
Sea salt. Okay,
Man.
that's enough because this is actually very salt. And then I'm going to add a little bit of chopped up parsley. I will toss.
Do you have parsley in your garden?
I do.
I got some too.
I have tons.
Do you know there's something called lemon thyme?
No.
Ooh, really good.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead. Good?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Really like it.
Good.
You're not gonna try it?
Sure. I need another fork.
Or you can use this one. We just used it for tossing.
It was hidden. Sorry.
Right in plain sight.
Okay, hold on.
Ah,
I'm sorry, you guys.
what do you think?
That's good.
It is good, isn't it? Wow.
Huh. I love noodles.
I do too. Okay, then we're gonna go to the empanadas. Now,
Lunchtime.
remember, this can be with picadillo inside, with ground beef, and or any other kind of beef. But I didn't have any, so we put guava. So of course it's going to be sweet. So let's cut it in half.
Oh my gosh. Those are pretty big. Do you normally make them that big?
No, I make very little ones, and I make usually about 100 at a time.
Whoa.
Because these are for parties.
Okay, here we go.
Mmm,
Very good.
that's very good. The guava.
Ooh, you guys, these are good.
It's amazing.
Yum.
Sorry.
So we have that. And last but not least,
Chiviricos, which are just fried pieces of dough. And I have here some sugar.
doughy kind of meal.
And I'm going to, well, you don't need all of these at the same time.
I would do powdered sugar.
I don't like powdered sugar.
Well, sometimes it's not about you.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna go the crispy side. Oh, good. They're all really good and different. I would say for the saltier taste, I love those noodles. And for the sweeter taste, I like the guava. Well done.
Wow, it's good.
Well done.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons. Don't forget the recipe with the secret ingredient will be on mamtalks.com.
Oh, you're not going to tell them.
Should I?
No, they have to go find it.
No.
Go
You
find
gotta
it.
You'll be surprised.
Don't forget our YouTube channel that you're watching. Please share and like and subscribe and comment because we love the comments. We absolutely answer every single one.
Yes.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. And the recipes pretty much for everything is on that. So thank you guys so much. Have a great week. Bye.
Bye.